Experts say vaccines provide a pathway to ending the pandemic as over 72 million Americans are fully vaccinated. Meanwhile, appointments for COVID vaccines are filling up around the state, but not so much in Kern County. So 17's Perwa Shaheen tells us more about vaccine hesitancy here in Kern.
After more than a year of this pandemic, it's hard to believe things could soon return to normal. For many, the first step is getting vaccinated, but some Kern County residents disagree.
I just don't want to take that risk quite yet. I want to wait until they have more case studies and see how people have reacted to it and why they've reacted to it.
The CDC released a recent study that examined almost 4,000 people who had received a Pfizer or Moderna vaccine. The results showed the vaccine to be effective in preventing COVID infections and spread. But residents share a skepticism towards something new and unfamiliar.
There really haven't been studies that have lasted long enough to determine its safety.
Some say they're more comfortable waiting a little longer and continuing to follow CDC guidelines to stay healthy.
I've gone this many months without catching it. We're just being careful, we wash our hands and just try to stay away from people and wear our masks.
These residents are not alone. According to a poll by the Associated Press, 30% of Americans are skeptical of the vaccine.
So, of course, this is an individual decision, but this vaccine, these 3 vaccines, are highly effective and safe. And we are really encouraging our residents to engage in these conversations, talk to your doctor, go to a reliable source so you can learn about these vaccines for yourself.
A majority of Kern is not vaccinated. Around 27% of people in Kern County have received at least 1 dose. And yet, Kern has more available vaccine appointments than most other counties in the state. Kern Public Health believes that will soon change.
The feedback we heard from our canvassing teams on the ground were there were folks that had wanted to get vaccinated, but they didn't think it was their turn. So we believe that's been a large barrier that we've just broken down.